If there's fewer components you see on the table, means Arduino, which is used as a microcontroller in embedded system, then DHT11, jumper wires, 3 jumper wires, and then breadboard. You're going to be measuring the temperature in the surrounding, in our environment, just using this DHT11, and then you see that its pinout is already known, and you can enjoy the description of it in the link shared up there in the corner. Then you see here we have the plus, which is a plus VCC, and will be connected to Arduino plus 5 volts, and then the ground there, which is marked minus, and then the middle pin, which is a signal. Let us hook it in the breadboard just like that, and they will use brown for negative of supply, just like that, and then the red for plus or plus VCC, and then the signal will be taken by this orange wire connected just in the center. Then the red pin will go to plus 5 volts, just like this, and then this brown wire, which is a negative, will be going to ground, just like this, and then we will be reading the signal. We can choose either pin we want. And for now, let us read to pin 2 of Arduino. We will be reading the data obtained by this DHT11 on pin 2 of Arduino. Since we finished connecting this circuit, let's go to computer and then open up the Arduino IDE. But before moving forward, let's first connect our Arduino to the computer, USB, and boom. There we are done. You see that the Arduino is showing the red power that it is connected. Then you will come to the computer and then search for Arduino. Open up the app. Now you see that the Arduino application is already opened, but to see the code that will enable us to read this DHT11, we will need 2 libraries. Those libraries are those which are mentioned just right there. Those one I selected, which are Adafruit Unified Sensor Library and the DHT library, and are both made by Adafruit. So the link to them are shared in the description below, and thanks to Adafruit. And then to install those library, you will come here to sketch, then include the library. You can go to add zip library and wait for the location, means in the location on the computer in which library files are located. And you will see that here it is open, and then you can search the directory where the libraries or where your computer save the latest download. Here you see that I have more libraries, and then you can come and search for Adafruit or the library you need. When you get there, you choose the library and then you can open it. But mine are installed, there is no need to do that. I'm going to go directly and then open the example library that will enable me to read or test my DHT11. So I will come here to File, Examples, and then search for DHT library, then open this example which is called DHT tester. See that it is opened, or this written sketch which is written by Adafruit, and then this sketch will enable you to test or to read your DHT11. What here to see, because the sketch is complete, is to check the pin on which your DHT11 is connected, and then the type of DHT you are using. Here we are using DHT11. Then you will come, then here select the type. Here the type which were uncommented were DHT22, but we are using DHT11. We will comment this DHT22 and then uncomment the type we are using. The second thing is to check where the DHT11 is connected. Remember, we connect it on pin 2 of Arduino down there, and then now it's time to upload the code. You go to Tools, then check the port and the board, and you see that they are already configured. Once that is done, you hit upload, then you wait for the program to be uploaded. The Arduino IDE will first compile the codes and then upload it to Arduino. Then you see that the code is done uploaded. You can come here and then open the serial monitor. So that you are able to read the humidity, temperature in degrees Celsius, and then temperature in Fahrenheit. Guys, thank you for watching. Hope that you enjoyed the video. Please give it by subscribing on this channel and leave a comment on how you want to improve the content on this channel. Ciao, bye, I love you.